Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and that was Darktown Strutter's Ball by E. Jammy Jams. I kind of like that, but unfortunately, thanks to my neighbor, I can't play it. Unless I go on my Bluetooth headphones, and that puts out interference in the video, so I apologize for that. It's a fun song, I really like it. Okay, we have an envelope here. And it is from the Great White North. And on the back, you have the guy from Pittsburgh. And on the front, I have to cut this off for security reasons. I don't know what is in this envelope, but I'm sure he does not want his address revealed to the world. So I have not looked in this envelope. And by the way, other than one thing that I asked for when he went to Las Vegas. Oh my God, it's here. Months and months and months ago, thousands of months ago. And here's the front, and I'll cut these out. And this is from Open Lines Gerry, and I did not ask for anything. I did not solicit anything, except I said, when you come back from Vegas, send me a paper, because I used to live in Vegas. And I follow Las Vegas news. I went to high school there. So this is Burgh Unboxing without a box, with a giant bag that says "Do not bend." Oh my God! Well, gee, I needed a new calendar. Thank you, Jerry. That's cool. I appreciate it. Let's see. 1 million free spins. I wish. Excuse me. I went out in the cold and it hit me. Okay, there's the, I believe that's Luxor. I'm not going to show anymore because it's considered unlucky to do the before the year starts by my mother. So I will show it to you after the first of the year. Let's see. Hughes replaces his top boss. Where have I heard that before? Wasn't there Howard Hughes replacing Mayhew? Let's see. Holiday hiring outlook for state encouraging retail group report finds goalie dance peppered by flyers. Birds attacked him with pepper? First start of the season for Golden Knights. I have no idea where the Golden Knights are. Seating on the horizon. Yes, they'll be sitting on the roof at the new Raiders Stadium. Trump goes to the foes. Ed Graney for the Raiders cornerback. Garyon Conley wasn't the right fit. Greg Boddard improved play by quarterback Derek Carr is a must as the Raiders strive to reach the next level. What level is that? By the way, I remembered what CR said. He said low production values. Well, if you wish to have me have higher production values and I can buy a ladder, donate to George Senda, 815 Court Street, number 786, Martinez, California, 94553. There's the Las Vegas Journal. I remember when there used to be the Sun with Hank Greenspan. I knew Hank Greenspan. And to Falky2013 at Gmail for my PayPal account. And let's see, there are envelopes here. Check this before opening on camera. All right. Hold on a minute. I have to get a pen. And we'll do the official check. go. And this says the Venetian, the Palazzo. Now, I've never been to the Venetian. I don't even know what was the Venetian before they tore down the thing that built the Venetian. 3355 Las Vegas Boulevard. And I thought Gerry was not really going there. So let's see what's in the envelope. We have here, oh my goodness, Win Las Vegas, payable to George Senda, Steve Wynn owes you money. I wish I could meet Steve Wynn. Imagine if I could do a video with Steve Wynn. 34 big cents. I might have to give this to Naily. He does slot machine videos. You know, if I ever get to Vegas, I'll do live slot machine videos. And there are, well, things of a sensitive nature that I cannot show on camera. Gerry said he's being a stinker. Let's just put it this way. They give these things out on the strip. I'll just say that. And it is by way of advertising for, well, I'll just say by way of advertising. I thought this was a thing to paint your car, $69 special. All right, let's see what's in the envelope. Then we have this here, George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. So let's see what's in the envelope. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Okay, nice silver back of the envelope here. Inside, a Christmas card, very pretty Christmas card, and happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's to you, the kiddies, Patty and Kathy. Best wishes for many Burgh unboxings and going live in 2020. Warm regards, old Gerry and Blanche, and there's $10. Well, thank you, old Gerry and Blanche, or old Blanche and old Gerry, or whichever. I really appreciate that, and I appreciate the newspaper. I'll enjoy reading it tonight. But I think Scotch tape. I had Scotch tape earlier. What did I do with the Scotch tape? All right, I will put the card up here in the card file somewhere. This does not stick well to this fan, I want to tell you, but that's a card of my sister, by the teddy bear. Scotch tape does not stick well to this fan. It's the only place I have. I've got to make some kind of mobile or something, or mobile. I don't know how you pronounce that. I've never known how you pronounce that. So there's Gerry's card. And I don't think there's anything else in the envelope. Nope. Nope, it's empty. But thank you, Gerry. And all I wanted was a newspaper, so you know I'll have to hold on to this. Maybe maybe I could get Steve Wynn to sign this, and then I could auction it off on eBay. Steve Wynn, it says void after 60 days. 10/21/2019. So this isn't going to do me any good. What a bunch of rats! You know, you get a thing for the slot machines, and it's no good after 2 months. It's your money. That's not right. This should be good forever. Asset number 130-11176. I'm going to go with the win. Why are you? You know, if this were California, they couldn't do that. Gift cards and stuff, they can never expire. This is wrong on principle. All right, but I might have to frame that or something. I don't know. All right, I'm having fun with it. Let me look in this paper before I leave. Let me see what the hell's in here. Let's see what else is here. Bellagio's $4 billion transaction appears most expensive Las Vegas resort sale ever. Progress continue on the circa. Las Vegas producers Horror Film does double duty as women's fundraiser. U.S. may keep some troops in Syria to protect oil fields. $260 million settlement kept an opioid lawsuit from going to trial. Prosecutors call mission bribery scheme worked out 5 more guilty pleas. Benjamin Netanyahu's failure to cobble together an Israeli government shifted the task to his rival. I thought he got reelected. Trudeau acting a second term besides scandal. So this goes back to, when the hell was this? October 22nd. Sunny and 81 in October in Las Vegas. So, and let's see here. Officers fatally shoot woman after 911 call. Maybe not to call 911 in Las Vegas. Inspector at Metro arrested. Mean and green for Halloween. Department FET faces drug counts. Republican voices drove reversal on meeting site. U.S. travel executive talks real ID visit to U.S. from China. Yeah, you got to get real ID cards before next year, or you won't be able to fly or enter federal buildings. There's that one. And let's see here. Oh, here we go. Philly Filet. Flyers carved goaltender dance Golden Knights defense, but I have no idea who the Golden Knights are. I know who the Philadelphia Flyers are, but who the heck are the Golden Knights? At least somebody knew, maybe Arizona or something. And there's a picture of Raiders guy. Ooh, that's pretty. Top moon rises behind One World Trade Center in New York. That's pretty cool. I like that. That'd be pretty on a shirt or something, or a coffee mug. Let's see. Ghost of Goldfield. Film producer, nonprofit to screen most horrible flick as fundraiser. Well, she looks pretty scary to me, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you. All right, then they have an ad for Dell Small Business. I've never seen a small business inside one of these, though. I think that's false advertising, ladies and germs. And we have some housing. Oh, we have a car for sale. No, I'll run right out and get two. 2013 Cadillac XDS, low miles, $21,300, 28,300, 21,300 miles. 2007 Chevy Trailblazer, very hard to find. What's right in here? That's why you can't find it. Runs great, 120,000 miles, $5,800. And then they have other cars here. And trying to see if there's anything else. I always love these on Craigslist. 1995 Texoma 270 vertical drill. Machine runs fine. Kelly bar seals need to be replaced and other seals need to be looked at. I wouldn't look at those seals if I were you. And what's he doing with seals anyway? They should be down at the beach or the wharf or something. And here's something MBLA. Oh, NBA. I don't follow the NBA. So, and then you can get your custom garage doors for any home for $200 off any door, or $75 off spring replacement, and maybe 75% off your door. I don't know. All right. There's the Las Vegas paper for October. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, having a little fun there with the ads. It is 5:42. All the kitties have been fed, and I'm sorry I went and filmed them and then went over the time in the 5 minutes and something. My free thing only allows me 5 minutes, so I'll have to refilm it tomorrow night. And I fed Orangey, and I fed Gray, and I fed Tiny One, and Mama Kitten, and Fuzzy. No, not Fuzzy, Little Girl. And then when I got done, it said, I tried to do another video to redo it, and it said out of memory. So I've changed the memory card. There's the memory card with the other video in it. So I'm going to transfer these to my computer and then my portable hard drive. So that gets free. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe out there, and I hope you're warm and dry. And somebody tell me who the heck the Golden Knights are. I can look it up. But catch you next time. Another video in a minute. Bye-bye.